change it any color you want. They have about 50 choices.
Oh, I like it this color.
They
It
changed
also
it to
kind
this
of
color.
matches my dress. Although my dress somewhat clashes.
Okay, it's completed.
Folding top motion complete.
Yes.
This is it. Hey guys, good evening. MaryAnn here once again with you from AutoHaus of Naples and all of my American sport car lovers. I have got your dream vehicle. It is a 2017 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Convertible. Finished in this fire hyper blue metallic color code GD1, and look at those super tires in those massive 20-inch low gloss black 5-spoke aluminum wheels. In fact, you guys, that was an option. Those Camaro Brembo brakes there, I mean, at least you can go really super fast with that 6-speed manual transmission, which I know is very desirable, and be able to stop with those Brembo brakes. And once again, you can see right there, there's the gear shifter, 6-speed manual, and it is out of this world. The exhaust management is an option, and this vehicle does have it. So you do have your exhaust dual mode sound performance management, which was nearly a $1,000 upgrade. In fact, this hyper blue metallic, I mean, wow. Those wheels, wow. Everything is just
stunning
a sick
car.
Wow.
And the front end is awesome.
Everything. Oh, almost looks brand new. We have how many miles on this camera, guys? Like
16,000.
Like 16,000.
777 it turned when I drove it here.
Oh, nice. Those black metallic rally stripes alone was awesome.
One little smudge here, but this was the bug I killed going in 110 or so. I have a little video.
Yeah. Once again, those black rally stripes are an option, and this, I mean, look at under the hood, it's beautiful. We have a 6.2 liter V8 engine producing 455 horsepower, excuse me. Once again, we have a 6.2 liter V8 engine. It produces 455 horsepower and a massive 455 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, this thing looks like it belongs as a piece that goes on top, like on a shelf to just look at when you're winding down for the night, watching your favorite TV shows. Wouldn't you want to stare at this? Because
Yes, I would.
It is such a wow. Chevrolet did so phenomenal with the sporty lines in this vehicle. We do have that keyless go, that keyless entry. Check out the leather throughout. You've got the black with the white stitching, those sport seats right there. You even have your black sueded knee bolsters and your black front and rear bow tie emblems, as well as, I believe, that charges your phone. Am I correct about that, camera guy?
I don't know.
Does this charge your phone?
It could be, yes.
It appears as though it is a phone charger, and you just lie
Can you
it
sit
there.
in the back and see how much room is there for a beautiful... If I want to go out and get four hotties, do they have room in there?
Well,
or three?
I would not be a hottie who sits in the back. That's going to be the first thing we go
Okay.
ahead and clarify. I might be a hottie who sits in the front. Just kidding. Anyhow,
I think you look good in there.
at least me and my hot friends could sit and charge our phones.
Hey, look good in there.
What a package.
Yes.
So nice.
Charcoal with the gray.
And there is enough room. Look,
Yeah.
I can even sit like this.
Yeah, and then we can move the seat a little forward.
I still have plenty of room. And check out the Bose system. You
Yeah.
see the Bose system?
Yeah, I saw that. Call out if you... Oh, you do it with style.
Honey, this is not the first time I've had to get out of a convertible.
Out of the back seat.
did grow up here, and you can imagine I pulled up to the beach once or twice in a convertible.
Yes.
But only once or twice, never more than that.
A day,
So-
a day.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Big, bold front sporty grille and a big, bold back end. That's exactly what we want, guys, right? You want it nice in the front and in the back, not one or the other. So let's not be choosy. Let's have both. Parking sensors.
Camera.
And your backup
Quad
camera.
exhaust. Yep.
And yeah, your quad
Can you
exhaust.
pop the trunk?
Did
Couple
you-
soft bags probably.
Did you hear that exhaust sound?
That's worth buying the
Oh
car.
my
I wouldn't
God.
buy it without that option.
I don't think so.
And it has the
either.
magnetic
Unless you-
air ride too.
What's that?
The air ride.
Yeah, it's a magnetic control, right?
Yeah.
Or
I'm so used to
the
Mercedes
proper
air
name
ride.
is magnetic ride control.
Magnetic ride control.
Yes, that's a thing.
Pop it by the door, please. That's the easiest thing.
A super sporty steering wheel as well. And
That's enough for a vacation.
oh, okay. For my shoes.
Yeah. And you know, when the top is up, you can take this off and you have all this space.
And you have more room.
Yeah. But when the top is down,
But
you're limited to a couple soft bags. Make sure your girl backslide or your friends.
or you pack your credit card.
Back here the credit card. That's what we do.
Yeah, that makes a whole lot more sense.
Doesn't
Quickly,
need a lot of
let's
space.
let's take a look at this. The options on this is not equipped in all Camaros. We do have the 2SS. You can buy a Camaro SS or a Camaro with the 2SS, and that's what this one is. So we do have the black metallic rally stripes I mentioned, the magnetic ride control, $1,695, just right there alone. The paint of the hyper blue metallic, $395. The Chevrolet MyLink audio system with navigation, and it's an 8-inch diagonal touchscreen, $495. As well as, I already mentioned, we have the 6-speed manual transmission. The exhaust dual mode performance, that's going to be why my exhaust sound was just so on point and fire. And we do have the front and rear bow tie emblems, black sueded knee bolsters, premium floor mats, and those 20-inch low gloss black 5-spoke aluminum wheels. Makes it almost a $55,000 window sticker, $54,695.
And if you buy all this, they give you the engine and the transmission for free.
Hey, gotta throw something in, make somebody
Yes.
happy, right?
Let's go out for a spin.
Everybody wants everything for free.
Yes. Let's go for a
See you on
spin.
the test drive. Yes, keyless entry, keyless go, and only 16,779 miles on the odometer. Check it out. This is a touchscreen as well, and we do have heads-up display. My goodness, I feel like I'm the luckiest person ever to be in the driver's seat of this 2SS Camaro. I haven't seen one like this.
No,
I've seen
me
a
neither.
lot, but I have not seen one like this. And,
So you
and I
can
need
change
it.
also the there's the traffic,
The
live
lighting.
traffic.
So there's your traffic. There's
Lighting
your
here.
lighting. So you can change the color scheme throughout. Now you can see the lighting strip can change colors. Right here we change it to sort of a red pinkish hue, more of a red. There's the blue. Just lovely. Absolutely love it. So fun. And at night, I imagine it is just absolutely out of
It
this
shows even
world.
better, yep.
Yes. So,
That's where
And
you have
there's
your
all your
exhaust
apps.
management.
yes. So you always want to make sure it's in your sport or track mode. Track mode. Okay, here's stealth. Oh my God.
Do it again.
Yummy.
Okay, let's see the reverse backup camera.
There's your backup camera. So beautiful. Such a nice screen. We do have your heated and your ventilated seats as well. And you can see the instrument cluster is just, look, it says perf. It's just so perf. Huh? literally what it said.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Everything's up to date. We are under a full factory warranty as well.
Take it for a spin.
Let's do it.
Hot cold seats.
Yep.
Great air condition.
Did I mention heads up display? Because that's a thing too.
Does it have it?
Yeah. You didn't see that? It was too low for you then.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Check it out.
I didn't see it.
It has everything. Check out the options list. I went through it. See it online.
Hey,
And I have to be really careful of the deer. So.
First time she drives it.
Don't miss out on this one.
Great.
Sorry. I will slow down.
We have both keys, books, records, one owner, adult owned.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And
You can see on the tires, they are still good with 16,000 miles.
How many?
16? Huh?
I think you said 16.
Yeah, I thought it's 17 or 16, so I made 16.
16. Okay, that's a new one. It's a little half season.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if it's 16 or 17, you know?
I love it. Don't miss out. You don't want to anyhow
Nope.
miss out on something like this. This is
Feeling a little
top-notch.
green like the money? Or you're feeling like blue,
Yes.
like you were last night?
Oh, it must be the pool and the moon.
Yes.
Somebody was blue. Look, I love this car. I actually really do.
Yep.
And I have so many American muscle sport car fans. So don't miss
Awesome.
out. What more do you guys want? I mean, nearly a $55,000 window sticker with the 2SS. I mean, my gosh. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If this is a vehicle you want, don't wait because they're really not out there like this. You've got the desirable 6-speed manual transmission as well as those super duper low miles. 239-263-8500. That's how you can buy it. Call us, put down a down payment, and let's get the paperwork going. AutoHausNaples.com, full listing, details, pricing, and if this is sold, well, sorry, because there's probably not going to be another one out there like it. My name's MaryAnn. I showcase the vehicles for you guys at AutoHaus of Naples, and I sell them in the dealership as well. And I will see you on the next one.